In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to sign up for Medicare Part B online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find the options to sign up for Medicare Part B online. So, if you go over to the Social Security website, you will be able to sign up for Medicare and choose between signing up for Part A or Part B. So go over to ssa.gov, and when you arrive at this page, under Apply on the home screen, you will be able to find Sign up for Medicare. You can also click the option over here at the top and then go over to the same menu, Sign up for Medicare. Medicare is our country's health insurance program for people aged 65 and older. You will sign up for Medicare Part A and Part B through Social Security. So all that you have to do here is scroll down and you will be able to find Sign up for Medicare and then Sign up for Part B only. So for this video, I'm going to be focusing on Part B only, but of course you can apply online for Medicare Part A and B if you prefer. If you have previously declined or never signed up for Part B, you can sign up for Part B only. So choose this option if you are already signed for Part A, but not for Part B, and then choose the one up above if you need both. But when you click under any of these, you will be redirected to their respective pages. Part B helps pay for your basic healthcare services, and if you already have Part A, you can add Part B during specific enrollment periods. When you are ending an employer group health plan, and then other times to sign up when you have a special situation, when you miss the enrollment periods above, and other ways to complete this task. For this video, I'm going to be showing this online, but as you can see, you can fax or mail them your application, so you can click on these PDF files here and fill out the application forms, which contain a lot of personal information that you need to mail or fax back, and then you can also set up an appointment. So call them at this number if you would like to get additional help. But to actually start the application, click the option over here at the top. You will be redirected one final time to this page where you can include all of the details for your online application. Make sure that you read and agree to the above statements here. There is a lot to go over, and for this video, I'm not going to go over every single instruction, but you should carefully read through all of this on your own time. And afterwards, just follow the on-screen instructions. I hope I was able to help you on how to sign up for Medicare Part B online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.